The banned militant group, the Hnlc, dealt a blow to the ongoing peace talks with the government by officially declaring its withdrawal. The announcement, conveyed in a letter to the centre via AK Mishra, the advisor of the Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast, dated December 31st, but made public on Wednesday, cited the government's delayed response to their general demands as the primary cause. The Hnlc expressed concerns that neglecting these general demands might lead to the dismissal of their political aspirations. In response, the state government issued a plea on January 5, 2024, urging the Hnlc not to abandon the tripartite peace talks. Cabinet Minister and MDA-2 spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh, despite no official communication, confirmed the government's active engagement in the matter. He stressed the urgency, revealing plans for an emergency meeting upon Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong's return to town. Lyngdoh assured a serious consideration of the Hnlc's demand for amnesty, indicating a likely approval.